For many years, treatments for cancer were based on either surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy. A new approach to cancer treatment, known as adoptive cell therapy, takes advantage of the body's own methods of recognizing dangerous cells to target tumors. T cells can be collected and modified in the laboratory, then reinfused into a patient as a personalized therapy tailored to fight their disease. To understand how adoptive cell therapy works, let's first examine the role of T cells in our immune system. Our immune system is composed of two arms that work together to keep us healthy. When a pathogen invades our body, the innate immune system responds to the attack in a rapid but non-specific manner. This gives the adaptive immune system time to develop a stronger, targeted response that is likely to completely clear the infection. T cells are one of the major cell types comprising the adaptive immune system. A molecule found on the surface of these cells, called a T cell receptor, is responsible for T cells' ability to recognize and attack dangerous cells. T cell receptors are able to recognize and bind to antigens, which are proteins found on the surface of cells. They will not bind to self-antigens, or antigens found on healthy, normally functioning cells of the body. Instead, they will only attach to specific foreign antigens in order to destroy the unknown and potentially harmful cells. In the body, T cells tend to aggregate around tumor cells, but are not able to destroy them. It is thought that this may be due to the environment surrounding the tumor suppressing the T cell's ability to kill the tumor. This is where adoptive cell therapy comes into play to bolster the T cell's natural capacity for destroying cells. T cells are first isolated from tumor samples extracted from patients. The cells are tested for reactivity against the tumor, and those with the correct receptors are selected for expansion in cultures with interleukin-2, a growth factor. Alternatively, T cells may be genetically engineered to alter the T cell receptor to target the antigens present on cancer cells, before again being grown in the lab. Following the expansion of the population, the patient's T cells are reinfused into the body, where they are able to target and destroy tumors. Adoptive cell therapy has been used to successfully treat numerous forms of cancer, including leukemia, melanoma, cervical, lung, and breast cancer. Ongoing research in this promising cancer treatment technique will continue to expand this list of victories for patients and their families.